So I'm reviewing this a watchmaker repair kit that you can buy on a variety of places, Amazon and eBay, for under 20 bucks. So it includes a number of items. It includes a watch back remover, the screw type, that's often found in waterproof watches, and that's here. Now I wanted to compare with, what I use normally, which is this LG watch wrench, which has been around for probably 50, 60 years. One thing I noticed right off is that this is just kind of loosey-goosey. I don't think it really takes away from the functionality, but it's just not. These things are just kind of wonky sitting in here like this. Whereas by comparison, this is all very, very tight, very smooth movement. So this is very, very nice. You can get these. I think I got this on eBay for 50 or 60 bucks. I think you can buy it brand new, somewhere between $75 and $100, and it comes with a number of pins, different styles. This one comes with a number of pins too. These screw in. They come with a little container that's got a variety of pin types. So these screw in, whereas the ones in this one, they're just friction fit, and so these are not interchangeable if you're thinking that's an option. One thing that I noticed about this is that I like is that this will open to quite a span, much more than this one does. And I've run into one or two cases where my wrench wouldn't fit on one of these really large men's diver watches. So this thing expands to about 52 millimeters, compared to this one that it's going to expand. Well, you don't want to expand it that far. Okay, there we go. This one expands to 42 millimeters. So that's about 10 millimeters difference, which to some of today's watches, that'll make a big difference. I got this out of calibration. I'll fix that later. So I think this will work just fine for this little travel kit.